Merry Christmas from GOA. Now let's talk about it. What is up, Wolverines, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, I am wearing my ugly Christmas shirt, sweatshirt type thing, and it says, "Now I have a machine gun, ho ho ho," from Die Hard, which is a great movie. Violent Night is also another great movie where suppressors actually work like suppressors are supposed to work. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about what is going on and why I'm making this breaking news video, even though I dropped another video earlier on today. GOA has filed with SCOTUS, the Supreme Court. Gun Owners of America is asking SCOTUS to vacate the circuit court's decision to stay the Antonyuk versus Hochul decision. If you don't know, New York passed this very, very unconstitutional gun law called the Concealed Carry Improvement Act, which GOA won an injunction against because the whole entire law is very, very unconstitutional. It basically made almost the whole entire state off limits, including some people's homes, which is really, really ridiculous. So GOA won an injunction against that. They also won an injunction against the part of the law that requires people turn in 3 years of social media, and also everyone that lives with them would have to go through a background check and everything else. GOA won the injunction. Hochul went to the anti-gun circuit court, which went ahead and stayed the injunction until they would have a chance to hear it, which could be forever, really. So that was not very kosher of them, and it was an anti-gun move to stall the law of getting knocked down, because once it gets to the Supreme Court, it will get knocked down. So what GOA has done is they went to SCOTUS and said, hey, look, this law is definitely unconstitutional. The circuit court stayed the decision, even though that they shouldn't really be able to do that. Could you step in and smack down New York for us? So hopefully they will do that shortly. This isn't something where it would take months and months and months for the Supreme Court to act. It is an emergency order, and the Supreme Court could step in fairly quickly and smack down the stay. Even though the Supreme Court is gun shy, pun intended, about taking Second Amendment cases, I can see them taking this one, because what New York did was spit in the face of the Bruen decision. Bruen said that you cannot make everywhere a sensitive area. It had to be used sparingly, and New York made everywhere a sensitive area. Bruen said you can't make a sensitive area out of a place just because people gather there, and yet New York made Times Square a sensitive area because people gathered there. Bruen said you cannot have proper calls, yet New York replaced proper calls with good moral character. Also, New York is violating people's First Amendment rights by requiring social media. So we'll see what happens, but I have a feeling that the Supreme Court will take this. And like I said, it's not going to be months and months. This is an emergency order, so they can take it up fairly quickly and smack down New York, which I think should happen. And if that happens, it's going to send a shot across the bow of other states that are thinking about doing unconstitutional acts like New York did. For example, New Jersey. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Remember, I have my Christmas special tonight at 10 p.m. on this channel, so you can join us for the Christmas party. It'll be a live stream. It will be a lot of fun, and yeah, Flying Rich will join me, and there'll be some other special guest. So I hope you have a great day. Stay ever vigilant, stay ever free, keep in the fight. I am out of here, Wolverines mother.